Hi guys, so we have one of those weird sum which we aren't very comfortable about. This is one of those hot sums which is a little bit tricky and needs a little bit of understanding to be able to crack this. So we'll work out a trick and make sure that this is done easily, right? So quickly grab a pen and paper and we are solving this together, step by step. So first thing, we have to prove this equals to 0, but we have given a certain prerequisite. We have been given these and we are supposed to be utilizing this to our benefit, correct? And how do we go about it? So any idea? So since we are doing it together, so I want you to be ticking there up, and trying to visualize how do we proceed. So to me, I feel that since they have equated these three things together, so can we write it like this? 3 to the power a is equal to 5 to the power minus b equals to 15 to the power c, which must be equal to, say, k constant. Alright, so let them all be equal to something that is uniform. Got it? And which is k. So doing, how does it help? Does it help us? Okay, so let's try and find out. How does it help? We can write this way. So let's pull one at a time and try to refer in terms of k. Since 3 to the power a is equal to k, therefore 3 will be equal to k to the power 1 by a, isn't it? Similarly, we have 5 to the power minus b equals to k, therefore 5 alone is equal to k to the power minus 1 by b, and 15 to the power c is equal to k, therefore 15 is equal to k to the power 1 by c. Now this is equation 1, this equation 2, this equation 3. Alright guys, so what next? Any idea? What next? What do we do? So I feel that this seems a little welcoming. If I got the product of this must equate with this, right? 5 into 3. So I think we have understood the designs of this sum, and which is what we are going to use up. So if we were to multiply equation 1 and 2, what shall we get? K to the power 1 by a multiplied by k to the power minus 1 by b, is equal to 3 multiplied by 5, isn't it? Which is equal to 15, correct? So this can be called as equation 4, correct? Let me bring this down the way it is, but not already. So what do we do is, whenever there is, as per the exponential rule, whenever the bases are same and the powers are different, so we add up them, isn't it? So if we were to add up, so say k 1 by a minus 1 by b, we get equals to 15, isn't it? So next, from equation 3, we have already what? That k to the power 1 by c is equal to 15, isn't it? Which means what? So if we were to write this again, a continuity of this equation 4, so equating, okay, since we have k 1 by c equals to 15, we can substitute it here, isn't it, guys? So this seems very interesting. It's going very well. So 1 by a minus 1 by b, okay, is equal to k to the power 1 by c. And how did this happen? Let me write. Substituting, okay, this is equation 3. It's a continuity, okay. What? 15 equals to k to the power 1 by c from equation 3. Alright, guys. So from here, okay, what do we know? That since k 1 by a minus 1 by b, this is an explanation. I'm copying the same thing. We have the same bases both sides, which means we can equate the powers, right? Equating the powers, okay. What do we get? Okay, we get 1 by a minus 1 by b equals to 1 by c, or 1 by a minus 1 by b minus 1 by c equals to 0. So hence proved, okay. So the case is shut now in the court, and we have been able to reach up there. Okay, guys, so that was not very bad, okay. Just as we had presumed that this sum will be very, very nasty for us. No, it is quite eco-friendly. Bye bye. So take care, and I hope if you have liked the video, okay, so do subscribe my channel, and that's all, okay. Just that if I need to reinforce this, I mean, let me just go about, since they have given this, okay, as a condition. So first thing would be to equate them with a k. They must be equal to a quantity which is, okay, equal to all of them. Which means if this is equal to k, separately we try and find out the value of 3 in terms of k, which we get k to the power 1 by a. The same thing we do for this is equal to k 1 by b, and this we call it as equation 2. The same thing here, 15 is equal to k 1 by c, equation 3. Now, what seems more probable to me is that 5 into 3 is 15. So most likely we have to find product of these two to be able to reach up to 15. Okay, so that we can use it up, okay, for further solving the sum. Which is why I have tried to multiply equation 1 with equation 2, and hence we got k 1 by a multiplied by k 1 by b, which is minus. So over here, a little bit of rough work I would like to show is that because k 1 by a and plus minus 1 by b, okay, we have it over here, we add up, okay. So whenever we have a multiplication sign and we have bases same, we add up the powers, which is what we have done. Therefore k will be equal to plus minus 1 by a minus 1 by b. Okay, so we get over here k 1 by a minus 1 by b. Okay, so we aren't finding over here the difference, but we have added up and we have still got 1 by a minus 1 by b. Okay, because this is plus minus minus. Having got this, now we can go ahead to try and equate, okay, with the third equation, which is 15 here, which can be substituted by k to the power 1 by c. Alright, in equation 4. So substituting, okay, 15 equals to this from, okay, equation 3. So we have substituted in equation 4. Okay, so this is equation 4. Next, what do we see is that since the bases are same, these two bases are same, so we have what? Okay, can we call this as equation 5? Okay, that will be better. So we find the bases same, so we try and equate or compare the powers. So 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to 1 by c. Alright. And when we bring 1 by c inside, we are left with nothing outside. So we have a 0 there. Okay. So this is how we try and find out and reach where we had to reach. This was our goal and we have been able to do so. Okay guys, so if you found this, okay, interesting, do subscribe to my channel. It gives us a lot of boost, okay, for you will get the notification as soon I will have uploaded the next one, which I can assure you will be much more interesting than this. So bye bye till then, take care. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.